Alright, let's hear it. Nice.
Get in the car, bitch!
Alright guys, so I just picked this up. 2013 Volkswagen Golf. Let's see how it sounds. I have no exhaust on this yet, so you know we're gonna make that happen. So we're heading to get the straight pipe done. Stay tuned, check out the progress, and I'll get back at you.
Yeah, barely it makes a difference at all. So if you want, I can cut it in front of the front, that other one, and we'll see what that sounds like.
And that's what this muffler are?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you rev it one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Could barely even tell a difference.
No. Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let me cut that next one. We'll see. That definitely sounds a little better.
Yeah, it sounds a little more. Yeah.
Alright, we'll go with that.
Okay. Now,
so this one wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Able to keep good clearance here and everything.
that's nice. It's pretty clean.
And then this one was a little bit more of a pain, but we were able to get it because they're more than 90-degree bends, and the machine doesn't like going that far.
Ah, okay. Sweet.
I was able to get it, and I had to re-round out the end of the pipes and everything, but
Okay.
we were able to get her up in there pretty good.
Nice. All right, y'all. Are you ready? Wow. Woo! Okay. Well, let's hear it. Kind of liking it. We'll take it out right out here. Open her up a little. First gear. All right, you ready to hear this?
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Dude, how is that legal, dude? Can I hear it outside?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. Ooh, that's some hot ass air.